Now the analysis is complete, ready to proceed.
System online.
Welcome to the channel, initiating today's exploration into advanced AI video technology. If you love creativity and next-gen tools, you're in the right place.
This cinematic shot was generated entirely with AI. No camera, no editing software, no plugins. So today I will show you exactly how I made this using one platform called Higgsfield. So first of all, if I tell you what is Higgsfield. Higgsfield is an AI video generation platform built specifically for creators who want cinematic control. Inside one website, you can get access to multiple high-end AI models that handle image generation, video motions, and even a sync audio. If you can describe a scene, you can make a film like a short. So I always start with a Nano Banana Pro because it creates a extremely high, clean, and high resolution images. This is important because your first frame sets the quality of for the entire video. So for that purpose, I have to go on a create image. Here we can select Nano Banana. So different models are available. You can select anyone you want. I want to go with Nano Banana. So here I write a prompt for the image. We have to focus on details. So I write the prompt according to that. So let's write a prompt. A cinematic close-up of a man standing on a rainy city street at night. Neon light reflecting on wet pavement. You can write a jacket also. Soft rim lighting on the face. Shallow depth of field. Film still. Ultra realistic shot on a cinema camera. So moody lighting, dramatic atmosphere. So there is a spelling mistake, I think. Atmosphere. So Nano Banana, I have to go to Pro. So you can change the resolution. I think 4K quality is better. You can change the aspect ratio. I want to go with I think 4:3 is better. Unlimited के साथ unlimited node is issue. So I think Nano Banana Pro is affected. So let's hit a generate and see what comes. So it take a little bit of time, but after a few time it create a image that is little bit same as I give the prompts. Standing in a rain, neon lights reflecting on pavement. As we can see, neon lights are reflecting, and ultra realistic shot on cinema camera. So it focus on my prompt. Same prompt I hit earlier, earlier, so it gave me that, but it, as you see, quality is 4K. You can download this, and you can edit this as you want. So same prompts but two different images. So it focus on prompts. As you can describe your image, you can generate an image. As you see, I already created some images, because basically these are Flutter images for my Flutter videos. uh, so basically it worked fine. So here is our generated images. You can download these images to your system. So as we can see, we already generated images here. So here is one more thing, that is Cinema Studio image. We can generate a video here from a image. We have to give him a start frame and end frame, and also give him give there a prompt, so it generate a video. In that prompt you have to give him a camera roll and light effect as you want, or anything, movement, or anything you want on that image. We have to give him a video. You can change the resolution here, duration 5 to 10 second. I want to go with 5 seconds. Music, if you want, slow motion on or off, as you can set. After that setting, we have to hit on a generate, so it generate a video. So it may take a few minutes or few seconds, and it generate a video. So let's wait a little bit. So it take a little bit of time and generate a video. So let's see what is created. It's gonna play. So it give a little bit of zoom, and water drops are dropping. So this is where Higgsfield become a different from AI tools. Cinema Studio lets you turn a single frame into a cinematic shot with real camera logic. So I think that is quite nice. So we see imagination. We are now, let's generate a full scene with visual and audio together. We use Kling 2.6 audio generate motion. We already generate images. Now we are going to generate a full scene with visuals and audio together. For that purpose, we are going to use a Kling 2.6 audio generator that generates motion, ambience, and voice in one pass. For that purpose, we have to select a Kling model here, that is Kling 2.6, that is quite new. We are going with this model. Here we write a prompt. I want to go with the rainy city again, so we write a prompt according to that. A cinematic medium shot of a man speaking calmly in a rainy city at night. Soft ambient rain sounds natural. Male voice narration. Slow camera movement. realistic lighting and emotional tone and film like color grading. So that is a quite simple. Here is a spelling mistakes. So we have to set them film like. So we have to remove E. So there is a simple prompt. We have to hit on a generate and wait for the result. It take a little bit of time and generate a simple video. So let's see what it created.
Silence of the rain speaks louder than words.
It already created.
Sometimes the silence of the rain speaks louder than words. In these moments we find truth. Sometimes the silence of
So
the
it quite
rain
focus
speaks
on
louder
my
than words.
prompt, emotions on the face, rain
In these moments we
falling,
find truth.
neon lights,
Sometimes the silence of the rain
Quiet.
speaks louder than words.
quiet.
In these moments we find truth.
Why not? It's very,
Sometimes the silence of the rain speaks louder than words.
You can download it, and also you can use different models. But if you want a video with audio, I think you must go with Link 2.6. We see the Kling 2.6. Now we are going to use one more model, that is Van. Then we are going to use with 2.6. Van is quite useful when you want a bold ideas or internet style creativity. If you want a video for a TikTok and TikTok Reels YouTube format, you must use a Van 2.6. So we are going with different prompt for a Van 2.6. Dramatic cinematic shot of a futuristic city of skyline at sunset, slow drone style, camera movement, and epic atmosphere, ambient cinematic sound, high contrast lighting, stylized and realism. So here is a, sorry for that, I think there is a spelling mistake here, sorry for that. So we are not going to use a multi-shots, or I think we are going to use that. I think we are going to 10-second video. As you can see, if we are going to with 5 seconds, it uses 13 points, and as you increase the duration, my loading points start decreasing as we use that. So I think my previous video is also generated. Oh, that is
The rain washes away the noise of the
so I hit double on generate. It create two different videos
world.
with same prompt. As you can see, it quite focus on emotions also. it just like a real video, not a AI made video. As you can see, that is the same prompt with that video, and also
In moments like
there is the
these,
same video.
clarity
Rain falling, man standing in the rain,
emerges.
speaking dialogues.
The rain washes away the
Motion
noise
of
of the world.
That is Higgsfield.
In moments like these,
That is a Higgsfield.
clarity
Sorry,
emerges.
I just forgot
The rain washes away the noise of the world.
So that is generated. We are going to generate with 2.6 WAN model. I hit on a generate now. So you take a little bit of time and create a video. So let's see what it is generated. You take a little bit of time to play the video. So look at the motion, lighting, atmosphere. This does not like a random clip. It feels like a directed. As you see, it is quite impressive. So Higgsfield is perfect for creators, filmmakers, marketers, and anyone who wants cinematic AI videos without complex tools. Everything happens in one platform for the first frame to the final video. You can generate images, videos, whatever you want. So I have linked the Higgsfield below. You can try it yourself and make sure to subscribe my channel for the latest videos. So Allah Hafiz.
The rain washes away the noise of the world. In moments like these, clarity emerges.